In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Attio sync issues. If Attio isn't syncing properly, the cause is often related to a workflow problem or an integration error. So the first thing you want to do is open Attio and head to the home page. This gives you a good starting point before checking the settings that control your connected tools and synced activity. From there, go to your company profile and open Workspace settings. At this stage, it's important to identify exactly what is not syncing. For example, you may notice that email activity, calendar events, or data from a connected app is missing or delayed. Knowing what part is affected helps you focus on the right setting instead of guessing. Next, click on Email and Calendar accounts. This is where Attio shows the accounts connected for communication and scheduling, and it's usually one of the first places to check if email or calendar syncing is failing. Once you're there, check whether the integration is connected. This matters because if the account has been disconnected, expired, or lost permission, Attio won't be able to pull in new data. Even if everything looks normal elsewhere, a disconnected integration can stop syncing completely. If necessary, click on Full Access. Different access levels can affect what Attio is allowed to sync. A more limited option may allow only partial visibility, while Full Access gives Attio broader permission to read and sync the information it needs. If the wrong access level is selected, that can easily explain why some items appear in Attio and others do not. After that, go back to your connected accounts and try clicking Reconnect. This feature refreshes the connection between Attio and the external provider. It can help resolve problems caused by expired tokens, changed permissions, or temporary authorization issues. In many cases, reconnecting is a quick way to restore syncing without changing anything else. Next, go to Apps. This section is useful when the issue is not related to email or calendar, but instead to another tool connected to Attio. Then click View All so you can see the full list of installed integrations. This helps you confirm which apps are actively connected and which ones may need attention. Finally, review all the integrated apps connected to your Attio workspace and check whether they are syncing correctly. Look for anything that seems disconnected, incomplete, or outdated. This final review helps you spot app-specific sync issues that may be affecting your records. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.